All right, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today, all right, I want to show you but this is part of a special packs. I did a tutorial on the channel where I did okay, so I want to do the proper breakdown here with the middle screen also. Okay, so we're gonna be in the key of F. So I saw something like this. You are God from beginning to the delay cadence on 5. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. Let me go one more time. From beginning to the end, there's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. Alright, the stuff itself is happening on the 5. So and it contains this tritone. While the right hand is also doing something like this. Sorry, you can see the middle screen. So together we have naturally together we are doing something like this. You can see that. Right. Okay, so but I'm doing. You can see I'm going from F to G. Then I'm doing this also. D to E also. So we have so blessed be the Lord God Almighty. Blessed be the Lord. So you can look at that verse from G to A. So be the Lord. Right, you like that? 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 3. Yeah. There you do. Then to 4. Mighty, yeah. So 3, 6, or 3. Papa, the blessed 73, the Lord, then they stop. Almighty, Right, so don't forget to check the other tutorials also on this channel membership platform. God bless you. Thank you for joining the channel membership. I'll be expecting to see you next month again. Thank you.